a flight, we say. Then I say yes. Let's do a flight. .30-degree turn right there. 30-degree turn. Right towards Txkf. There we go. Just gonna go show you like that so we can. Oh my god, I didn't even notice our speed. Okay. Alright, so I'm actually gonna go down because I mean it's right there. But I think I just take off from right there. Yeah. Alright, let's do this, guys. Seems that we are just going to book these clouds right now. And we are on our way to Txkf. And we need to make a bigger turn, a little bit, so we can line up with the runway after. Just gonna go a bit down. We don't need to go so up, do we? That works. Let's go the higher right. I'm joking. Oh, I can't. Wow, I've reached the high ground. Like the tall clouds. Oh my god, is Tncc that far? How fast does this thing even go? Is Txkf like right above me or like right there? Down somewhere? I don't know. Gonna need to build it down now. Oh! We are cruising. Passengers, hello there. We will be landing now at. Well, we're not even near it, but whatever. Right now, we are descending to Txkf, also known as LF International Airport. We are now descending into their aircraft, into the airport. We are asking the air traffic control. We are cleared for descent, which I think we are. But anyways, back to this. We will now line up for the runway. So please put your seatbelts on for the descent. Thank you, and we will be landing shortly. Alright, that worked. We just gotta line up a little bit more with the runway. Good to go. Ooh, your guy just went down those clouds. Oh, this is nothing. Increase altitude. Go a bit higher, maybe? No, lower. No, it's because we gotta get lower. Really not lower. We're going down. We're gonna make it. It's fine. Just gotta line up with the runway. I gotta see when I gotta turn so I can line up perfectly, but it is short. So, shortly meaning about right now. I should have done this. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now lined up with the runway. Please apply your seatbelt. Please put your seatbelt on so we can land. Thank you. I repeat. We are again, אנשים, אנחנו עכשיו הולכים ללכת. Whatever that means. Okay, let's land. I am lined up. Am I lined up? I'm lined up. This is Air Canada flight 0398. Requesting permission to land. Runway. Well, I have no idea what runway that is. So, yeah, requesting permission. Do you hear? Or should I say it louder? Hello, this is Air Canada. Can you hear me now? We're gonna make it. Oh yeah, we're gonna make it. We are gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Oh, we're sinking. We're sinking real low. We're sinking real too much. And there we go. We will now be able to land. Can't control this. Thank you. Thrusts. Reverse thrusts. And brakes. And view. Hello, welcome to, I don't know what country this is, but welcome to a place. We have now landed. We will go in the gate shortly. The local temperature outside right now is around 24 degrees Celsius, and with a humid of 60%, whatever that means. Anyways, we will now be taxiing onto the gate, so please wait shortly. We will arrive shortly. Alright, that was a pretty short flight of like maybe 6 minutes. 6 minutes, 42 seconds maybe. Oh, going too fast. Alright, lights are back on. The local temperature is now 25 degrees Celsius. The local time is 5:50 p.m. Somehow the sun was going down. I don't know how, but it's going down at 6. Yep, we are arriving at the gate right now. So, thank you again for choosing Air Canada. We hope you enjoyed your stay and fly with us again. Thank you again for flying with Air Canada. We hope you enjoyed your stay. Please fly with us again anytime shortly. Thank you. I should have went right there. Doesn't matter. It's going to be fine. And that was a flight. Passengers, we have taxied to the gate. You are now able to pick up your baggages, any items you have with you, any carry-ons, any bags, and we will now open the door for you to leave and go to the LF Wade International Airport. Again, thank you for choosing Air Canada. We hope you enjoyed your stay, and goodbye.